To use Google Forms, you must have a Google account. Once you have this, you can log in. Go to the Google website and click the Login button. Use the email address and password which you used to create your account. Click on the Google Apps button. Click on Drive to enter your Google Drive. Click New. Click More. And you see the option to create a Google form. We start with the title of our form. I'm going to make a form of Belgium. If you want, you can enter a description. First, we make the users fill in their name. We make this required. And of course, your name is not a multiple choice, it's a short answer. So we can add the first question. Click on Add Question. We enter the first question. How many official languages are there in Belgium? So we add 4 possibilities to answer. 5, add an option. 3, add option. 2, add option 1. So these are the 4 possibilities to answer this question. We make this question required. By clicking on the plus, we can add a new question. Second question. What is the capital of Belgium? This time, you make a drop-down menu, just to show the possibilities. Option 1, Paris. Option 2, Brussels. Option 3, Roeselare. Option 4, London. We make this required. Suppose the answers are given in a classroom, we can use the option Shuffle option order in case students should look to the screen of a colleague. This option you can find here. Next question, we add a question. Plus mark. What is the name of this building? Now we have to upload a picture. Next to the question you can mouse over until you see the upload button. Here we can upload a picture or video from our hard drive. So we have our picture. we make it a multiple choice and we fill in the options. Eiffel Tower, Sagrada Familia, Atomium, Trump Tower. We make the question required as well. Next question. We add a last question. What is the postal code of Brussels? And we make it a short answer and we make it required. Our form is completed. Let's see how it looks for the user. Click on the I button to preview the document. Notice this answer. If we close the preview and reopen it, you'll see the order is changed thanks to the shuffle option. Thanks to the use of Google Drive, this form is automatically saved to your personal drive. If you close all windows and return to your Google Drive, you can easily find the form. Reopen it and we can go on. Of course, we work all in an educational context, so we want to make a real test of our form and see the scores of our students. To make a test, click on the settings. To be sure, we can send the results and also feedback to our students. We have to collect the email addresses. To do that, be sure the box Collect Email Addresses is marked. This second box makes it possible that your students receive a copy of their answers. Now we have to make it a real test, a quiz, by going on Quizzes. Switch on the Make This a Quiz button. Here you have to make a few choices. Do you want the student to receive their results immediately? If so, what do you want to see them? Missed questions? Correct answers? Point values? Or do you want to send the result by yourself later? Our form is turned into a quiz now. In our words, it's a test. We can save it. Notice a new field, email address, is added to the form. To make it look like a real test, we have to add a value of points to each question. We need also to program the right answers into the form, so the results will be automatically generated into the forms. We do this action for each question. The first question, fill in your name, does not need an answer key or points value. Let's go to the real first question of the test. Click on it and click on Answer key. Mark the right answer now. We have 3 languages in Belgium. Also, add a point value. Let's give 1 point to the right answer. On this screen, you can use the option to automatically give feedback if given a right or wrong answer. This is optional. We click on Done and go to the next question. Click on it and fill in the answer key. Don't forget to fill in the points and click Done. We repeat this for each question. Our form is completed now, so we can send it to our students. Click on Send. You'll see an email possibility, and next to it you find a way to copy the hyperlink and share it. You can share this hyperlink by sending an email, spread it on social media, or use it in your own digital learning platform. Click on Shorten URL, click on Copy, and paste it wherever you want. Our test is ready. We have sent it to our students. Now we have to wait for the answers. Let's have a look where you can find the incoming results of your form. Go to the form and click on Responses. Here you see the number of responses you got. You can see a summary. You can check the answers of each question, or you can watch the individual answers. In the summary, you'll find insights as average, median, and range. You will see the scores of your students, and you also find the answers in graphics. By clicking on Question, you can select each question and see an overview of all the answers. Click on Individual to select an individual student and look to his results. To easily release the scores to the students, go to Summary, click on Release Scores, and choose if you want to do this for all students or mark a few students. Afterwards, click on Send Emails and Release. If you want to reuse the form, you can go to Responses, click on the 3 vertical dots and delete all responses. Success with the use of Google Forms.